I've always heard people talk about water flossers, but I've never actually tried one until now. This is the Wafloo Cordless Water Flosser, and if you've ever looked at the big name brands like Waterpik and Philips, you know they can get pretty expensive. This one promises many of the same features: a rechargeable battery, multiple pressure modes, interchangeable tips, and a large water reservoir, but at a much lower price. Now, let me show you what happened the very first time I used it. Yeah, apparently you're supposed to keep it inside your mouth before you turn it on. I had water on the mirror, on the counter, probably the ceiling. Let's just say my bathroom got a free pressure wash. After I watched the instructions and maybe used a little common sense, the second attempt went a whole lot better. If you're new to water flossers like I was, definitely start on the lowest setting, or child mode. It gives you a chance to get used to the water pressure before moving up to the stronger settings. This model has 5 cleaning modes, so you can adjust it based on your comfort level, and it includes 6 interchangeable tips if multiple people in your family want to use it. One thing I really like is the large 300 milliliter water tank. I didn't have to stop in the middle of cleaning to refill it, which is something people often complain about with the smaller models. It's also cordless and rechargeable with a USB-C cable, and the battery is rated for up to 40 days of use on a charge depending on how often you use it. That makes it easy to toss into a travel bag without worrying about bringing the charger everywhere. Compared to a premium Waterpik, you are giving up some things. Waterpik has been around for decades, has a wider selection of specialized models, and offers more accessories and replacement parts. If you want the most established brand with the longest track record, Waterpik still has that advantage. But for everyday use, this Wafloo covers the basics really well. It has adjustable pressure settings, a generous water tank, it's waterproof for easy rinsing, and it's lightweight enough to use at home or while traveling. After using it correctly, I can definitely see why people like water flossers. It reaches places that regular string floss can be difficult to clean, especially around the gum line, between the teeth, and in the back molars. Would I replace brushing with it? Absolutely not, but I think it makes a great addition to a normal brushing routine. And considering the price difference compared to many premium brands, I think it's a solid value if you're curious about trying a water flosser without spending a fortune. Just remember one thing: keep it in your mouth before you hit the power button. Trust me, your bathroom will thank you.